Hey guys, welcome back to the Gypsy Moon Child, and this is going to be the monthly reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs of Virgos for June 2021. If this reading doesn't resonate at all, you can check your Moon, Rising, or Venus signs or readings by any other reader as well. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can check the description box below and book it directly via my website. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. So let's see what messages do we get for Virgos for June 2021. Any messages for Virgos, please? The Sun card. Good things, good news, some sort of happy news is coming up your way. Probably a child being born, or a new offer, love offer, promotion. Could be anything. Some sort of good news is definitely coming your way now, and it's time for you to celebrate, enjoy. Times of celebration are there. There could be some sort of celebration in your life taking place as well. New beginnings, everything good. You could be dealing with a Leo though. Okay, don't know why I said that, but yeah. Let's see what other messages do we get for Virgos. But no, all in all, I feel this is like a very good period that has approached in your life. 7 of Wands. But because of your overthinking, you might just end up losing the blessings that are about to come into your life, because you're all guarded, you're all scared, you're all guarded, and you're like blocking your own blessings to come your way. Okay, for some of you guys, I feel this is someone you've blocked already, or they blocked you, but a message is coming, a good message, a positive message is coming from them to you, or you are planning to send a message to them. Energies and roles can be reversible as well, but do not stay so guarded that you are not able to recognize your own blessings as well. So you gotta stay open. Okay, keep your options open. You don't know what blessing might come your way. Okay, so next is Queen of Pentacles. Could be dealing with another earth sign as well. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, with the Queen of Pentacles, definitely some sort of raise is happening, but it could be that you've expected more than what you're getting right now. But again, it's going to be a good thing for you, definitely a good thing, but might not be the one that you expected if it's about a promotion or a raise in your company, in your job. Okay, for others, I feel the Queen of Pentacles is here to tell you that you've cared about this person a lot. They are very also caring towards you, so you both cared for each other a lot, and something happened and that you ended up blocking each other, but a message is coming, or you're probably planning your move towards them as well. You also think about the, like this person keeps thinking about you keep thinking about them. It's just they care for you a lot these days as well, and they cannot stop thinking about you. This could be the case for some of you guys. Let's see what other messages do we get for Virgos. Okay, there's one card that just flew from the deck. Again, 8 of Swords. So all the cards of being guarded, not being able to find a way. What is it, Virgos? So it's like I feel that with maybe it's some situation in your life where you're actually stuck, you're not able to move on, you're not able to get out of the situation while you really want to, but you feel that there's a lot of blockages in your path, and you're like there's just no way out, and you're just trying to fight it, you're trying to fight all the obstacles, and but you're still not able to do anything about it. So that's the case for some of you guys, and I feel that it's only because you're not willing to see the way out of the situation. You're just, by your own overthinking, by your own thoughts, you're keeping yourself stuck in the situation, but you can actually get out of it. Some sort of good news is coming your way, some sort of positivity is coming your way that might help you to come out of the situation as well. But if you think there's no way out, then there definitely is. You just need to open up your eyes and look in the right direction. Okay, so the next is 6 of Pentacles. So you could be feeling a little unwanted, in your life right now from someone. Again, as I said, right now your financial status is not good. I feel it's like you're wanting more, but you're not getting as much as you want, as much as you wished for. You're not really getting that. That could be the case for some of you guys. For others, if it's about a relationship, I feel that you're feeling a little unwanted, like your person might be focused on someone else, or that could actually be a third party connection where your person might be dealing with someone else and you just found out that all of their time and effort is going to someone else. And I feel that some of you guys are actually trying to ignore this fact, and you're not just letting this thing hamper this relationship, and you're trying to keep a happy face, but that's not done. You really have to see things for what they are. Do not be afraid or scared to admit things, admit the truth, because that is only going to help you to set free. And as I speak, we got Six of Wands as the next card as well. So again, definitely some sort of good news, a positive message is coming up your way, Virgos. I feel that if till now you were feeling little compromise at your workplace as well, that you're not being paid enough, so I feel that some sort of good news is coming your way and you might get that promotion or the raise. Okay, so do not feel that you will never get it, or you're stuck in your job, you cannot even get out of it, and you're not, it's like all stagnant, there's no growth or something like that, because your thoughts are creating your reality right now. So there is something good coming your way, there is some positivity that is coming up your way, and that is just that is just going to help you a lot. That is just going to really that is just that is something that you wished for, that is something you wanted, so you're gonna get that as well. For others, if it's about a relationship, I feel that there's been some differences. You both might have not been able to focus on each other, you might not be able to, or there's some differences, probably a third party relationship. And if it's not a third party relationship, then something some differences are there that you guys need to work it out. And if it's a third party relationship and you're turning a blind eye to that, then you gotta change the situation, you're gonna take control of that, and success is definitely yours, be it your personal relationship or your professional relationship, it's just yours. So you really gotta let your guards down and do not be scared that what if this will happen, what if that will happen. Everything will happen for your own good. So good things are definitely coming your way, Virgos, but things are not really clear in your life only because you're not trying to see it properly. Okay, or this could be someone who was not giving you attention in the past, but now they will. I feel they're going to come with a message, a very positive message. You guys might have blocked each other on social media, the typical thing that you guys do, like not you guys but we all do, but you guys still care for each other and you're just still stuck in that connection, you're still stuck with those memories, but they're coming towards you with a positive message, with a good news. Okay, so that's again sorted for you. Your love life is also sorted. So I'm gonna pull out some cards from Romance Angels. Let's see what comes for you. Finances and career, and this could be the one. So you've got two cards, Virgo. This could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner of your life. That's the card for you guys. So yeah, you've already met the romantic partner you're seeking. So yes, this whole situation is about a particular person. That could be the one for you. That could definitely be the one. And this connection is being affected by your finances and career. So financial issues are a factor in your life right now. So as I said, you could be worried about your finances, that you're not stable enough, or you're not financially stable that you can provide for your person. So that might be affecting this connection as well. So better things are coming for you. Do not just stay stuck in this energy, Virgos. So I'm going to pull out some love messages from your person of interest. Let's see what do we get. We got two messages here. So the first is, Your beautiful face is always on my mind. So yes, they keep thinking about you, they just cannot get you off their head. A long tight hug would be perfect from you right now. That's also something very similar. They just really want to embrace you, and they just keep missing you. So yeah, beautiful messages for you, Virgos. I hope this reading resonates with you, and if it did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, and God bless you all.